कानून के हाथ लंबे होते हैं। ये डायलॉग हम सब ने फिल्मों में सुना है और सही भी है, क्योंकि कानून से आज तक कोई बच नहीं सका है। लेकिन बात करें अगर स्टैट्स की, तो हर साल 60 to 70,000 स्टूडेंट्स अपने लॉ ग्रेजुएशन के बाद किसी ना किसी लॉ फर्म को ज्वाइन करते हैं। अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं आपसे ये सब क्यों कह रही हूँ, बताती हूँ। पर उससे पहले ना मैं आप सबसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ कि लोग LLB के बाद सीधा लॉ फर्म ज्वाइन करना ही क्यों प्रेफर करते हैं? Why don't they consider pursuing LLM? और सबसे बड़ा सवाल, क्या लोग LLM के बारे में जानते भी हैं? What exactly is an LLM? And why is it such an important option to explore after LLB? So let's talk about this and uncover everything you need to know about LLM. So stay tuned till the end of this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start by knowing what does LLM stands for. So LLM stands for Masters of Law. Now let's know the eligibility criteria for pursuing an LLM. Typically, to apply for an LLM program, you must have completed your LLB degree from a recognized university with minimum percentage requirement. Some universities may also require you to clear an entrance exam or go through a selection process to secure your admission in an LLM program. Once you have met the eligibility criteria and secured the spot in an LLM program, the opportunities that awaits you in terms of career scopes are vast and diverse. With an LLM degree, you can specialize in various fields of law, such as international law, criminal law, intellectual property law, and many more. This specialization not only enhances your knowledge and skills, but also make you a sought after a legal professional in your chosen field. So why should you consider an LLM after completing your LLB? One compelling reason is the opportunity to enhance your legal expertise and stay updated on current developments in the legal field. An LLM degree not only deepens your understanding of the law but also equips you with the necessary knowledge and skills to handle complex legal issues with confidence and precision and take your legal career to new heights. Whether you aspire to work in a prestigious law firm, pursue a career in academia, or make a difference in the legal domain, an LLM degree can be the key to your success. Seize the opportunity and start your LLM journey today. And with that, I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and drop your views in the comment section. Thank you for watching.